Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll explore how to convert a JavaScript object into an array of key-value pair arrays. This is particularly useful for data manipulation or transformation tasks in programming. Let's dive in. The problem involves taking an object which stores data in key-value pairs and transforming it into an array where each key-value pair becomes a nested array. For example, the object A1, B2 becomes the array A1 and B2. This transformation simplifies working with object data in array-focused operations. This function uses object keys to get all the keys of the object. Then the map method iterates over the keys, creating an array for each key-value pair. The function returns an array containing all these pairs. For instance, A1 and B2 produces the array A1 and B2. This process is straightforward. First, we extract the keys from the object. Next, we map over these keys, creating an array for each key-value pair. Finally, we return the nested array. This approach leverages JavaScript's array methods for concise and efficient code. Here's a summary of our examples. For the objects A1 and B2, the output is the array A1 and B2. For A1, B2, and C3, it becomes the array of A1, B2, and C3. Each key value pair in the object is transformed into an array within the output array. The ES6 version simplifies the function using arrow functions and concise syntax. It achieves the same result but with cleaner and more modern JavaScript. In this tutorial, we explored how to transform an object into an array of key value pairs. This method is efficient and widely applicable, particularly in data manipulation tasks or when working with APIs that expect array data formats. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.